Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel RKP Informative. Here I am going to do unboxing of Oppo Reno 2Z and give the review about this phone after using it for 8 months. Let's start the unboxing. The phone looks very premium in the middle range of smartphone, and it has a very large display size. The phone comes with the processor of MediaTek Helio P90, CPU with octa-core Cortex A75. GPU is the most powerful things in this phone with Power VR. Battery is about 4000 milliampere battery. MediaTek claims that the Helio P90 is the most powerful chipset and it is used in flagship phones. Talking about the SIM tray of this device, it has two SIM tray and one memory card we can insert in that. While Indian people will be very happy to see these things, and the reason you know very well after using this device for 8 months. Talking about the camera, the phone comes with 48 megapixel with good resolution. The most highlighted thing in this phone is that the selfie camera, which comes with a pop-up menu, and the sound which when the camera comes it gives very clear pleasant. The people who are selfie addicted will be very happy to see this, and the Oppo clearly gives a good pic in selfie mode. Talking about the video resolution, here you can change it from the 720p to full HD to 4K videos, and the FPS is very awesome. You can have FPS with 30 fps to 60 fps. People who are interested in photography, they will get more options like expert mode in pano, time lapse, slow motion. In export mode you get zoom option with 1x, 3x and 5x. You can zoom in it, and the people who are interested in photography, they will know how to use the export mode and they will get a very clear pic. In slow motion you get the same resolution as that of in what you get in video. You will get the same fps, which is very good. You get 60 fps in slow motion. That's very good in middle range phone. After using this device for 8 months and downloading many softwares, apps, applications, I found no issue lags. The device which I am using is of 8 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. The most important thing that shocked me also was wait, I will show you. Wait a minute, where it's gone. Yeah, here it is. It shows that it is made in India. See, there is written designed by Oppo, made in India. I was quite shocked to see this. Here you can see how many apps I have pre-installed and loaded, and there is no lag issue. And it comes with the in-display fingerprint, which is the new technology. Fingerprint was very good, responsive, and it opens very phone quickly. And you can see here I have used how many storage of data of the phone, that is 74 GB. I have used and installed many apps and photos. I have stored almost about thousands plus photos, and there is no lag, and 99 videos too, and then the phone runs very smoothly. Here you can see that how many apps I have installed. Almost every social media app I have installed, and there is no lag. Plus editing apps I have to install. The phone runs very smooth, and the phone is capable of handling many apps. Talking about the back of the phone looks very premium. That line with the blue one gives very premium look, but the quality of the phone was a little bit low, because when I touched it, it was like a plastic mat. Here you get a stereo speaker with USB type C cable and a 3.5mm jack headphone. At the first side you get a pop-up camera and then micro noise cancellation. On right side of the phone we get power unlock lock button, and on the left side volume buttons are there. Now we will test it for the PUBG game. Now I am going to open the PUBG game, PUBG mobile game. Let's start this. And here you get also gaming mode in this phone. That is very good options available. Now PUBG game has been opened. Now I will show you the types of graphics which this device supports. In smooth you get ultra, balanced also ultra, and you will get HD options, but no HDR is available in this device. Let's play and check the FPS frame rates in this device. I will play very short match to show you how the gameplay is there in this device. You can see there is no lag in the FPS or frame rate. I am using gyro mode. I shake the phone to see you that gyro is working properly. Let me check the setting. Okay, let's start. I don't use device for playing PUBG. I have just borrowed from my brother to do unboxing and give you review. That's why I'm not able. I'm feeling uncomfortable little bit. Uh, just to show you how the PUBG, how the phones works after 8 months, no lag issues. You can see. Okay guys, actually my brother was in hurry, so that's why I didn't complete the match. Okay guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon notification for upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.